Attorneys for Fotis Dulos and his ex-mother-in-law, Gloria Farber, are slated to speak to a judge by phone today to begin the process of sorting out his financial affairs amid two pending foreclosures and $2.5 million in lawsuits that have not been finalized. The legal wrangling over his assets and estate began the day after Fotis was found unresponsive at his Farmington home during a suicide attempt by carbon monoxide poisoning, court filings indicate. As the 52-year-old Farmington resident who was facing murder charges in the disappearance and death of his estranged wife, Jennifer Farber Dulos, was clinging to life in a New York hospital Wednesday, attorneys representing Gloria Farber sought to appoint a receiver to take care of his home. Fotis Dulos was pronounced dead late Thursday afternoon. A suicide note found in his car indicated that he refused to spend an hour more in jail and had decided to take his own life. Fotis Dulos was slated to appear in court Tuesday for an emergency hearing, which would have likely resulted in a judge revoking his $6 million bond. He had been on house arrest after posting the bond following his arrest January 7th on felony murder, and first-degree kidnapping charges in the disappearance and death of Jennifer Farber Dulos. Gloria Farber paid off the mortgage in July to protect her family's assets as police continued an intense investigation into the whereabouts of her daughter, who disappeared on May 24th. Fotis Dulos had stopped paying the mortgage in November 2018 as he and Jennifer Dulos were in the midst of a 2-year contentious divorce battle. Superior Court Judge Caesar Noble agreed Friday to appoint real estate listing agent Robert Gouffria of Tea Leaf Realty to act as the temporary receiver for the home, but attorney Michael Habib, representing Fotis Dulos in the foreclosure action, objected to the appointment, claiming Gouffria owed Fotis Dulos money. Habib is also representing Fotis Dulos in a second foreclosure action related to a Sturbridge Lane, New Canaan home he had developed for sale. A receiver to take care of that home was appointed a few weeks ago. Habib filed separate papers Friday, saying the family of Fotises wants to stay at the home, which they considered a safe haven as his financial affairs are sorted out. Habib was seeking an emergency hearing on the receivership. No date for the hearing has been set. Habib and attorney Richard Weinstein, who is representing Gloria Farber in the $2.5 million lawsuits, are scheduled to speak to Judge Noble by phone today at noon. Attorney William Murray, who represents Fotis Dulos in the lawsuits, is also slated to participate in the discussion. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, leave me your thoughts and opinions below in the comment section.